friends, it's Steph. Well, I met my Friday deadline, y'all. Look at this. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to give this to her. So we'll go room by room. Here's the bedroom. We have a little fish. We have a miniature dollhouse. There's nothing in the drawers. They do open, so she will be able to add some things. The toys are from Mini Brands, I believe. I made the books. I just printed them. I got printables off of Etsy. I 3D printed the bed and the bedside table and the dresser. The mirror came from a set that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I printed pictures. That is, all the little toys are those Mini Brand things. I made a little bed cover and I made the mattress. This is from Temu. So, and I'll just tell y'all everything. This is scrapbook paper that I got, I believe, either from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So there is the bedroom. Y'all, I hope she loves it. All right, here we have the bathroom. I got these pictures from Hobby Lobby. The toilet is from Hobby Lobby. The basket is from Temu, I believe. I 3D printed the shelf. The shower is from Temu. Now, I had contemplated, y'all, redoing the shower, but I thought it just fit the vibe. But the pink and blue, it matches her wallpaper and such, so I just left it as it was. I got this little hamper from Amazon Prime Days, and we talked a little bit about that. This vanity, y'all, I can't remember. I think it is from Temu. The mirror is from Temu. So there's our bathroom. I printed the flooring. I printed the flooring in the bedroom as well. I got those off of Etsy. They were $1.75. I just put in 1/12 scale dollhouse flooring, and that's how I got those. All right, let's go down here to the living room. I made the TV stand. I got these two little things are from Temu. The TV is from Hobby Lobby. I added some books and then some games again from the toy thing. It's not Miniverse. Did I say Miniverse? Mini Brands toys. The furniture, the couch, the chair, and the tables are from Hobby Lobby. They came in a set. There is another chair, but only one chair fits, so I just did one chair. I don't know where I got this, y'all. I just thought it was funny because they get packages, and so I thought that'd be cute. The rug is from Temu, and y'all, this is the softest little rug. The little lamp is from Temu, and I printed some pictures. The frames I did 3D print. That plant right there is from one of those garden balls, and this is a Miniverse Monstera. I added a little puppy with some bowls. The bowls are from Hobby Lobby. They are attached to this little mat. The puppy is from a set on Temu. The refrigerator, it opens. Now I redid the, I can just take it out. I redid the handles. They were silver, but I painted them black because I thought they look a little bit better. I believe, guys, where did I get that? I don't know where I got that. Hobby Lobby, maybe? I don't know. Now I can't even think. This is the stove that I built from the kit from Melvin's Miniatures. I got this little tea kettle is from Amazon Prime Days. This is from Hobby Lobby. The pot is from Amazon Prime Days, and I got a whole set of those and some utensils. I will tell y'all, I just stuck her little utensils in this bag. I'm going to put everything in a plastic bin for her to be transported to her and for her just to keep up with everything. But these little servings, utensils and everything came with the pots and pans. The silverware, which is kind of a coppery color, rose gold kind of color. It's just pretty. I thought she'd like it. But it came with pink plates, and I'll show y'all those in just a second. I 3D printed the kitchen cabinets, and I did not paint them because I printed them in a gray filament, and I liked that, so I left it. It did print the sink and the faucet as well. The little green cups are Temu. The flower pot, I believe, is Temu. There's the rest of her little pots and pans with the lids in there. There's her little pink plates. These were Amazon Prime days. She loves pink, so I thought those would be cute. And they're metal. Those little plastic servingware is from Temu. It came in a big set. Those pictures are from Temu. The little shelf, I think I got it from Temu. I painted that and hung it. The subway tiles I also printed. I got those off Etsy. The cutting board is from Temu. The little jars are from Hobby Lobby. And they're just like little jam jars. I was going to put them on that shelf, but they are glued firmly to that little shelf they came on. So I just went ahead and put them there. The flooring, this flooring is Hobby Lobby flooring. It comes in a large sheet, very nice and sticky. I really like it. Again, this one is from a printable that I printed. I don't know if y'all can see, but do you see the little outlet? And I don't think I showed y'all, there's a little light switch. I just love it, y'all. I did 3D print the light switches and the outlets. You can purchase some of those little outlets on Temu, though. I never saw any light switches, though, so I wanted to make sure that I got some of those in. There's another outlet there. And I also have back here, you can't really see them, but air vents. Those came in a set off of Temu. They came with the air vents and outlets. And there was one other thing that came in that set, but I can't remember what it is. But I just use those air vents because what else am I going to use them for, y'all? So there we have it, y'all. I hope she loves it. Today is her birthday, so I'm going to FaceTime her and show her what is coming to her. And I just hope she loves it. So thank you guys for all of your help on this journey. I do appreciate all of your input. I love it, actually. So y'all know I overstress and I panic. I kind of have a little bit of imposter syndrome, y'all. When I start a miniature, I think, I don't even know why I think I can do this. Then it comes together and my vision comes to life and I just get so excited. And it's like, well, maybe I can do this. Maybe I really am a miniaturist. I don't know, y'all. I overthink things so very much. So I hope you guys loved it. Thank you again for all your input. We are on to our next project, which we're going to finish the bakery cookie camper. So come back for that. If you like this content, please make sure that you like and subscribe. It helps our channel tremendously. So thank you, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.